All right, and now we're going to talk about the wet ingredients we're going to start off with for our sugar cookies. We're going to need 4 eggs, medium, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we're going to start off by cracking the 4 eggs into a bowl. Make sure you tap it lightly on the side. Get everything in there. Make sure there's no egg pieces floating around. And you're just going to pull these apart. Good way to do this is to start tapping and turn clockwise. That'll help minimize any little egg flakes. And there you go. So we have the 4 eggs in there. Now we're going to have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Remember earlier I said we're going to need 1 and 2. We're going to save the 2 for our shortening or our frosting. So we've got 1 teaspoon. We're just going to pour that in there and put this inside until we need it.